One of the most common questions that I received earlier sa live ko, and yes, almost every day nakapag-live tayo. Amazing! We are inspired by the Personal Learning Network. Most specifically, si Ali. Kasi everyday nagla-live siya, tapos yung group niya sa ano niya. But anyway, ang haba ng chika ko. So anyway, may question tayo dito kung recorded daw ba lahat ng trainings. So yes, recorded siya. Pero, inire-record namin at yung ibibigay namin sa inyong recording ay galing sa live session, and we highly recommend na umattend kayo ng live session just because, again, the goal ng ating mentorship program is to make sure that you guys are client ready, and to be able to achieve that, we want to make sure na masagot namin real-time yung questions nyo about specific tasks. Yung question nyo dito is about the Legal Virtual Assistant class, and yung class na yun, every now and then nagpo-pause si Ben, lalo na pagka medyo marami siyang ginagawa sa mga clients niya. Wala ring available na internship neto for now because we're still trying to figure out how would we be able to provide you an experience without having to sacrifice. Syempre, unang-una sa lahat, never naman namin kayo pa bibigyan ng access ng directly dun sa mga clients namin na walang permission nila. Pero merong reinforcement. Yung reinforcement namin na tinatawag, just to be sure na naiintindihan ninyo yung lesson for the day. Kasi 2 days siya, tig 4 hours, is meron kayong mga homeworks. So, halimbawa, after the live class, makaka-receive kayo ng homeworks dun sa classroom, makikita ninyo at matetest ninyo sa sarili ninyo if number 1 is Legal Virtual Assistance really for you. And number 2, if yung natutunan nyo ba at yung understanding nyo ba dun sa lesson is tama. Another question that we get, at ito, dalas ko makuha to ngayon sa live is, tutulungan ba kaming makakuha ng client? The lesson alone will give you idea na kung ano nga ba yung ginagawa to get clients. But at the same time, you have the application book. Meron tayong internship dun sa ibang classes. Again, Legal VA, wala pang internship. Meron din tayong tinatawag na mock interview pagkatapos yung final activity. And while we will not give you clients, very clear talaga, hindi namin kayo bibigyan ng clients, tuturuan namin kayo kung paano kaming humahanap ng clients. Meron po bang assistance after training? Obviously, yes. Kahit nga hindi ka mag-enroll sa training, kita mo naman yung assistance na pinaprovide ng community, diba? Anyway, guys, again, Legal Virtual Assistance, 499 pesos lang siya. If you guys wanna join, just click the link in my bio. Pag hindi kumana yan, copy and paste lang sa browser. Sa Instagram naman, click nyo lang to. Pag hindi kumana yung TikTok at saka Instagram, punta lang kayo sa Facebook, hanapin nyo tong video na to, tapos ipapakita ko doon sa mismong caption kung saan yung direct link. Sa YouTube, ganun din naman, nasa description box lang. Para lang sure na naiintindihan, again, pag click ng link sa bio ko, bubuksan niya tong page na to. Hanapin nyo lang sa bandang taas, Open Classes. Sa Open Classes, makikita nyo sa may bandang baba, 499 Legal Virtual Assistant. Pag-click nyo ng form, nandun na lahat na kailangan nyo malaman tungkol sa training. Nandun na rin yung training process. Pero kung may na-miss pa ako sa video na to, i-comment nyo na lang sila dito. Again, comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!